Are you ready to uncover the mind-blowing gadgets that spies use? Well, get your secret agent gear on, because we're about to reveal some incredible spy gadgets that will leave you in awe. Welcome to Tech Genius Official, where tech meets genius. Without further ado, let's get started. Livestream Wi-Fi glasses. Introducing the latest innovation in espionage fashion, the Livestream Wi-Fi glasses. These bad boys are so inconspicuous that you can hide an HD camera right inside them. Not only can you record top-notch video footage, but you can also stream it directly to the internet using Wi-Fi. Well, with around 2.2 billion people suffering from vision disorders, who would suspect a thing? Just connect these stylish spectacles to your smartphone and voila! You're ready to engage in some serious surveillance. Oh, and if that wasn't enough, you can even upgrade your spy arsenal with a mini earpiece for seamless two-way communication. It's like having your own high-tech spy hotline. Hacky Pie. Here's an intriguing gadget for you, the Hacky Pie. For a mere $24, you can become an ethical hacker. This chubby little flash drive lookalike offers open-source driverless operation on any operating system. That means you can be an ethical hacker whether you're Team Windows, Mac OS, or even Chrome OS. The Hacky Pie comes with support for different programming languages and a whole bunch of test programs. Want to freeze the system? No problem. Need to automatically enable or disable programs and devices? Consider it done. PPSS Group cut-resistant clothing. We all know virtual defense skills are handy, but let's not forget the dangers of lurking in the real world. That's where our inconspicuous yet reliable solution comes in, the PPSS Group cut-resistant clothing. Currently, they offer 3 lines of clothing to cater to different needs. Slash Pro, the go-to for operatives and prison officers. It's thin, lightweight, and designed to be worn under uniforms. Cut Pro, the denser workwear explicitly made for factory workers. Bite Pro, the ultimate bite-resistant clothing for our brave nurses, caregivers, and even teachers. You can grab a pair of pants for a mere $241 or rock a fashionable cut-resistant hoodie for just $356. Who said safety couldn't be stylish? Smart Window Tint. Picture this. You're having a top-secret conversation with your boss in their car, but their window tint is so dark that you don't even see their face. Impressive, right? But don't worry, they can see just fine. Here's how it works. A film with liquid crystals between its layers is applied to the glass. When you use voltage, these crystals change their position, altering the transparency of the tint. Smart Tint isn't just for secret agents. It's a hit in office spaces too, especially for those fancy conference rooms. Night Watchman Listening Device. Enter the Night Watchman Listening Device, your trusty companion for covert operations. With a range of over 100 meters, this gadget is perfect for discreetly tuning in on conversations. And thanks to its noise-canceling feature, you won't miss a single word. Oh, and did we mention it comes with a built-in binocular? With 8 times magnification, you can keep an eagle eye on your target while eavesdropping like a boss. This incredible device will only set you back $60. Modest in price, but not in performance, my friend. R-Plate. Imagine this scenario. Our spy has just narrowly escaped an attack, thanks to their top-notch training and some seriously cool spy clothes. But now, the attackers are making their getaway in a random car. Sounds like a job for the R-Plate. These smart license plates are the future of tracking down those pesky criminals. Equipped with GPS trackers, they make it a piece of cake to locate any vehicle. You can also customize the fonts and image backgrounds, adding a personal touch to your wheels. The R-Plate has already gained approval in several U.S. states, and the manufacturer has grand plans for nationwide coverage. You can hop on board with a subscription ranging from $20 to $25 per month. H&K MP5K Operational Briefcase. Our spy is on high alert and ready to take on the next mission without turning it into a comedy show. And to make sure things stay deadly serious, he's got a secret weapon by his side. His deadly beautiful assistant with a briefcase that's not just for show. This briefcase is no ordinary accessory. It's a beast that can unleash a whopping 900 bullets per minute. This compact killer measures a mere 33 centimeters in length and weighs around 2 kilograms. With a simple pull of the briefcase handle, this weapon is locked and loaded. However, aiming can be a bit tricky. Let's just hope our spy has been practicing his marksmanship skills. Mini Laser Spy Scope. When it comes to keeping our diligent yet not-so-skilled spy assistants occupied, the Mini Laser Spy Scope is the perfect gadget. Why, you ask? Well, first of all, it's so easy to build on your own that even the clumsiest of spies can handle it. And secondly, it's excellent for some target marketing, if you catch my drift. Just be warned, folks, safety comes first. Trust me, you don't want to damage your retinas with a laser pointer. That's not a good look for a spy. True night vision binoculars. Being a real spy means finding yourself in all sorts of places, from glamorous parties to dark and treacherous catacombs. To stay ahead of the game, our spy needs a trusty pair of night vision binoculars. This model fits the bill perfectly, and it won't break the bank at $144. With a night range of up to 91 meters, 7 times optical zoom, and 3 levels of infrared illumination, you will have no trouble spotting enemies, avoiding traps, and navigating through labyrinth corridors. These binoculars may be power-hungry beasts, devouring 4 AA batteries in just 2 hours, but there's a good reason for it. They double as a video camera. You can capture all the action and watch it on the built-in 320 by 240 pixel mini screen. During the day, these binoculars still come in handy, allowing our spy to snoop from a safe distance of up to 402 meters. And weighing in at around 450 grams, they won't be a burden when our spy needs to make a quick escape. Rabbler. Enter the Rabbler, a nifty little device that will render wiretaps, radio devices, microphones, and recorders useless. Talk about shutting down the eavesdroppers. With the Rabbler in action, it's like stepping into a bustling crowd. The gadget generates a hum of other people's voices, perfectly masking any confidential conversation happening within its range. Powered by a 9-volt battery, this pocket-sized gadget can easily be concealed and taken anywhere. So for the price of $403, you can have peace of mind knowing your conversations are shielded from prying ears. Dragonfly insectothopter. Now folks, let me tell you a fascinating story that even the CIA couldn't keep under wraps. Back in the 1970s, they were working on a top-secret project, the Dragonfly insectothopter. Yep, you heard that right, a robotic dragonfly. This tiny marvel was designed to fly up to 200 meters and deliver special glass pellets for eavesdropping on conversations. The idea behind this little insect-inspired spy gadget was genius. By sucking the pellets into the glass, vibrations caused by sound would alter the distance traveled, creating changes in the laser beam. And voila! The CIA could convert light into sound and gather all sorts of valuable intel. However, here's where things took an unexpected turn. Pesky wind gusts messed with the Dragonfly's flight in natural conditions. It turns out spying ain't easy when the wind is blowing you off course. Slime tire sealant. Now it's time for our spy to make a clean getaway with a pocket full of money. But what if a pesky tire puncture tries to ruin the escape plan? That's where the slime sealant comes in handy. This green wonder product is your ticket to hassle-free driving, even in the face of potential tire trouble. When you find yourself facing a puncture up to 3 millimeters in diameter, simply turn to slime sealant for an instant fix. The liquid part of this magical concoction flows out, while its trusty fibers and sealing agents swiftly form a flexible plug, sealing the puncture like a pro. You can then inflate the tire and hit the road with confidence. This super sealant keeps your worries at bay for a solid 2 years. For a mere $11, you can get your hands on a 900-gram cylinder of this tire-saving elixir. That's a small price to pay for the peace of mind and uninterrupted joyrides ahead. And with that, we have come to the end of today's video. Which gadget did you like the most? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, remember to hit like and subscribe with the notifications bell turned on so you can check out our future videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.